Okay, I want the Deluxe Wagyu Steakhouse burger with the meal with a Coke Zero.
That'll be all for you.
That's it.
What upset? How are you today?
I'm good. Wrong receipt. Okay. I'm going to. I'll write. Then yeah, we'll fix it.
Have a great day.
Thank you. All right. Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Yeah, I'm doing the Arby's, the Deluxe Wagyu Steakhouse burger. Had to get that right. And this was recommended to me by at least one subscriber. I don't remember if it was the same one, but a few months ago, I was recommended, and I looked them up, and they didn't have them here in the Louisville area, or at least not that I could find. So I kind of blew it off. It was just recently, within the last week or so, suggested to me again. So I looked it up, and they're here. They're here at our Louisville store, and we're going to try it out today. Let me see if it's really messy, so I'm going to try to get it up here. And you can't really tell because it's all falling apart on me. I had a few questions, and one is, it's Arby's. They do roast beef. Very good roast beef, by the way. I do like Arby's roast beef. How do they do burgers? They got a grill. So I did a little digging, and they use a sous vide method of cooking this, which is good. I'm okay with that. And so a little different. It's not grilled. It's kind of sous vide, which is, look it up. It's kind of fascinating the way they cook food that way. I hear it's delicious. But we're going to try it on this burger. The second question I had is what's with the Wagyu? And I found that it's not quite, certainly not Japanese Wagyu like we had all hoped. It's American Wagyu, 51%, and the other 49% just ground beef. So whatever that means to you. But yeah, here it is. I did get the deluxe version. There's a ranch version too, but I'm doing the deluxe version. So let's get a bite of this, and hopefully it doesn't fall apart on me too bad. So, yeah, I'm making a mess. I forget what I was on here. It's good. It's really good. I'm gonna push my tomatoes back on. I'll get another bite for you. I really should be sitting at a table doing this so it doesn't all go down my shirt. God, that is really, really good. I really like it. I noticed that pink color, but of the meat, got a little bit of a pink. I said, is that done? But that's the sous vide. We're okay with that. You see the pink, light pink meat, don't get distracted. That's the way it's cooked. So I'm comfortable with that is done. Wipe my hands. What else do I got? I got good old Arby's curly fries. That's really good. And the Coke Zero. So, the Wagyu steak burger from Arby's. I wasn't sure what I was going to think. I wasn't sure what I was expecting. But I'm telling you, I like this burger. I'll definitely do it again. I might even try the ranch burger next. So, I don't get over here to Arby's very often. So, this was kind of a treat for me. So, guys, there you go. I'm going to leave it at that. Let you go have your lunch. I'm going to finish my lunch right here and then get back to work. So guys, thank you so much. Hit that like button if you don't mind. It helps us out a lot. Subscribe to the channel if you have not already, and hit that bell notification to let you know every time I post a video. So guys, until next time, God bless you. Bye-bye. I can't stress how messy this burger is.